everybody, welcome to Kanjivaram.in. This is Arya. So how about a new variety of linen saris for today? So we have introduced a whole lot of different variants in linen saris itself. So today I'm going to introduce something quite funky, very vibrant in pure linen itself in a budget range. So these are all beautiful multicolored pure linen saris in a budget range. So it's actually multicolored with big check kind of design patterns. So I'll have to show them to you one by one in detail. So let's see the first sari. So this is our first sari from this beautiful linen series, and you will have to look at this carefully because there are it's a tri-color pattern on the body. So this particular sari has got three colors. The upper color will be this navy blue, center color will be this grey, and the bottom color will be this mehendi green, and they have golden zari borders, very thin borders on both sides. Also zari lines on the center of the sari. So this is also an occasional wear, not just a casual wear. And the pallu will have different color palette altogether. Beautiful color palette here. This will be the pallu for this particular sari. And this is the blouse piece. It's a running blouse piece, as you can see. So that's the whole look of this first sari, and the price for this particular sari is 2,200 rupees. Let's take a look at the next one. That is the second option from this particular sari. The inside three colors will be a beautiful pink purple on the top, baby pink in the center, and peach pink towards the bottom portion with zari lines in the center and zari borders. And coming to the pallu for this particular sari, this is the pallu. It's a very beautiful and vibrant pallu, as you can see, with different color palette. And this is the blouse piece of the sari. Let's check out the last piece now. So that's the last and final piece from this series. The inside three colors will be darker blue on the top, sky blue in the center, and a peacock green with blue towards the bottom, along with zari lines in the center and the borders. That will be the body of the sari. Now coming to the pallu, this will be the pallu of this particular sari, very vibrant in a different color palette again. And this is the blouse piece of the sari. That will be the blouse piece of the sari. And again, the best part about these saris are you can just pair them with any blouse that you have in hand. That would probably go with these colors. I mean, look at these saris. It almost has got all the colors in each one of them. So it's quite easy to pair them and style them also. You can even wear it with a plain white blouse and it will look so classy and elegant. And for this price, this is a win-win. The price again for this particular sari is, as I said earlier, it's 2,200. So if you want to place an order for any of these saris, please take a screenshot from this video and DM us in Instagram. The orders for these saris will be taken only via Instagram. So please do message us with a screenshot in Instagram. Thank you.